Hey guys, welcome back. In this lecture, we will learn how to create a geometry of three-dimensional building using translational repeat command. Open a new project, space frame, provide a name as 3D building, select location, length unit is meter and force unit as kilonewton. Next and finish. Just close the grid and create one node at 0, 0, 0. Take top view, node cursor, select that particular node and go to translational repeat. Look at the problem. There is one plan in x direction. We have 1, 2 and 3 nodes, right? So just go to the x direction and repeat it 3 times. Number of steps as 3. And what are the spacing? 3.5 meter, 3.2 meter and 3.1 meter. So provide spacing one by one. First one is 3.5 meter, second one is 3.2 meter and the third one is 3.1 meter, right? Click on OK. All the nodes are created. Then select all that 3 nodes 1, 2 and 3 and repeat it in Z direction one step. Select all the 3 nodes, go to translational repeat, select Z direction one step of 4.3 meter. Default spacing is 4.3 and OK. All the 3 nodes are created. Once again, select that particular 2 nodes with the control button. Select both the nodes. Translational repeat in Z direction one step of 2.5 meter. Default step spacing is 2.5 meter. Okay. Select that particular node. Go to translational repeat in Z direction. How much it is? 6.8 meter. Provide default step spacing as 6.8 meter. Okay. Now all the nodes are created. Select all the nodes. Go to geometry. Connect beam along x-axis. Again go to geometry. Connect beam along z-axis. Okay. Now your structure is created. Your plan is created. Take a beam cursor. Select all the beams. Go to translational repeat. In y direction. In number of steps, provide number of floors. Default spacing is height of one floor. Link step and OK. Isometric view. Press delete button from your keyboard, right, for open base. Take a front view. Select all the floors one by one. Hold control button and select all floors. Go to fill floor grid with plates. OK. All the plates are created, right? So from translational repeat, you can create a geometry of three-dimensional building. Open new project. And do a next problem. This one. Close the grid. Create one node at 0, 0, 0. Take top view. Node cursor. Select that particular node. Go to translational repeat. X direction 1, 2 and 3 steps. Spacing will be 4.2, 2.5 and 3.6. First one is 4.2, then 2.5 and 3.6. Okay. Now select all the 3 nodes 1, 2 and 3, all the 4 nodes, right? Go to translational repeat in Z direction, one step of 3 meter. Okay. Now once again select all the 3 nodes and repeat it in Z direction. Spacing will be 3.3 meter. Select the 3 nodes. Go to translational repeat in Z direction, one step of 3.3 meter. Okay. Now select all the nodes. Go to geometry. Connect beam along x-axis. Okay. Again geometry. Connect beam along z-axis. Okay. All the beams are created. Take beam cursor. Select all the beams. Go to translation repeat in y direction. Number of steps and height of each floor I am providing 3.2 meter. Okay. For open base. Now what is the mistake? Provide number of floors. Height of one floor is 3.2 meters and just click on link step. Okay. Now your building structure is created. For open base, just delete bottom beams. Take front view. Select all the floors. Hold control button. Go to fill floor grid with plate. Okay. Now your geometry is created. So it is also very useful method to create any geometry. Thanks for watching this.